Looking to start a new business, use Cricut or Silhouette machines. Successful ideas you can use to start a business with your Cricut or Silhouette machines. Idea 1. Custom vinyl decals. Idea 2. Personalized apparel. Idea 3. Home decor and wall art. Idea 4. Personalized gifts. Idea 5. Stickers and labels. Idea 6. Custom storage containers. Idea 7. Paper crafts. Idea 8. Monogrammed products. Idea 9. Candy dome holders. Idea 10. Personalized water bottle. Idea 11. Custom board games. Idea 12. Coffee mugs. Idea 13. Planner stickers. Idea 14. Party banners and decors. Idea 15. Personalized earrings. Idea 16. Custom keychains. Idea 17. Custom tote bag. Idea 18. Unique coasters. Idea 19. Engraved bracelets. Idea 20. Scrapbook shapes. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.